We are now.
Are we? We are ready. We're ready for a little adventure. We've just turned off the main A5 in Wales. That was nearly...
Where are we?
I nearly said the A4. A5 in Wales.
We're on the A4. We'd be in totally the wrong place.
We were in a totally different part of the world. We've turned onto a single track road. We're going to take you for a little adventure. It's a road we've driven from the opposite direction, but in the summertime.
The one that I like.
Yeah, the one you like.
Yeah.
It's a little bit blowy because I can feel the Range Rover rocking.
Very windy.
Yeah.
Oh, you'll see when we turn the camera around.
Yeah, you'll see by the bush in front of us. So expect rain, expect a bit of mist, and
snow, sleet,
sheep,
hail, sheep,
you name it.
other Land Rovers.
Yes. Luckily we were parked here just out of the way.
Yep. In front of some farmer's gate.
Yeah, so we better not hang about too long.
We're going to have to move.
Yeah, because if he comes along and says, "Why are you parked here on my gate?"
I don't think they talk like that in Wales.
Don't they?
No.
You don't know. He might come from another part of the country.
Oh, come on, get on with it.
Let's go. See you in a minute.
Okay. Oh.
Well, it's a bit blowy out there.
He lost his hat, so he's been running across the field to catch it.
To go running for his hat. Nice slate fence we got here. I'm going to go over a very narrow bridge now.
I like this road. Well, track.
Yeah.
Whatever it is.
It's a track, I suppose.
Just going to cross the River Ogwen.
Yeah. Just, oh, look at that river, how that's flowing. Oh, let's just see if we can get a little video of that.
That's a picture. Oh.
Yeah, I'm doing a little video. Right.
Let's go.
Let's go. This is a little lane in the Ogwen Valley. Very narrow, with passing places.
Can you stop here? Oh, too late. It's all right.
Could you what? Stop.
No, it's too late. Go.
Oh, I was talking, I didn't hear.
You can't multitask.
Well, I wasn't really listening because I was talking.
Oh.
You have to shout, stop!
No.
Hello, little sheep. We've got lots of waterfalls running off the mountain. Oh, there's a man here, he's going for a wander.
Oh, with his dog.
He's taking his dog for a walk. Right, okay.
Right.
This should be fun. I don't think he even knows we're behind him.
No. No. He's not really got anywhere to go, has he?
No,
He's going to grab hold of the dog.
yeah. Oh, we've got to get in the ditch.
Slowly does it. Oh, I like that dog. Dog's loose, I think.
Where's the dog?
Behind you.
Oh, he's running up the side of me. Let me put my foot down. There we go. Got away from him. Dog. He's loose to the dog go, or he could not get hold of the dog.
No, he couldn't hold it.
Yeah, we're going paddling.
gates open there.
Yeah. I suppose once, many moons ago, this was the main road. There would be no A5. It would have been the track. Pony and cart job. Or pony and...
Oh,
Oh, we've got another car coming in the opposite
very
direction.
popular, isn't it?
It is popular, yeah. Even at this time of year.
Mm.
But we have got a passing place here.
Are you gone all posh?
Why?
We have got a passing place around here.
Yes. You okay, yeah?
We suddenly go posh.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
There we go. What?
Shut up. Oh, there's berries on that holly bush.
Yeah,
Could have pinched some for Christmas.
could have done. You can see how misty it is on the mountains today. Wow, I've got a wonderful waterfall. Let's just get a video of that. There's nothing coming behind me. That is wonderful. Photo. And a video to go with the video that we're doing.
There's some editing to be done.
Yeah. There you go.
Can you do a portrait one?
I can do a portrait one.
That's better. No, video. For the Facebook page.
Right, okay. How long do you want it?
About 30 seconds.
Right. Keep an eye out, nobody coming.
There's nobody coming.
We're just videoing, folks, on the side of the motor. For our Facebook page.
Good.
That will be on our Facebook long before this video goes on, I expect. So if you're seeing this video now, you will have already seen that waterfall.
Unless they don't follow the Facebook page.
This is
They
very
won't have
true.
seen it.
So you need to follow the Facebook page. Or
Which has the same name as the YouTube channel.
or our Instagram page now.
Yeah. There's various different bits on each. Sometimes the same goes on both, but sometimes I tend to put something a little bit different on Instagram to Facebook.
There you go, folks.
I'd like to vary it so it's worth looking at them all. But we don't do TikTok, so don't bother looking there.
I think we do enough with Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.
Where you
Where you
going,
going,
Mrs.
madam?
Sheep?
You're going to go for a little walk. Are you going up there? Up there, right? Okay. Very good. And we got sheep wandering about everywhere. Oh, what we got here? Oh, the actual gate's open to the field.
Yeah.
Through the farmyard. All very quiet around here today.
Mm. Have their Sunday lunch, I reckon.
Yeah, chap coming down here with his sheepdog.
Yeah.
Whether he could be the farmer. Yeah, I reckon he's the local farmer. He's been to check his sheep. There's some sheep up here.
Yeah.
He's all right. He's been to check on them. Entering Snowdonia. This is National Trust land on our right. Right.
Right. Where are we going?
I don't know. Oh, they're going backwards. There
That's
must be a
all right.
passing place then. How far are they going?
Long way.
Yeah. You've seen this. Yeah. Thank you.
Good man.
In the summertime it's even worse with all the traffic coming along here. Now we've got some spectacular waterfalls coming up very soon.
There's
Hopefully
another
we can
car
see
coming
them.
as well.
Is there?
Mm-hmm.
Right. There's a passing place just here. So where is he?
There's a rock there. Can't pull in there. There it is.
Right. Let's just go backwards. This is a passing place just here.
Past that rock so he can get in.
Yeah, that's it. You can get up there, out of the way. Don't want to take the side out of his BMW. Slows down, he'll have time for me to. Oh, he's good man. Oh, he nearly fell off. You can see that waterfall to our left now. That is some waterfall, that one.
Zooming in and I've got my video wasn't going.
Ah.
stop for me then and you didn't. I lined it all up and then you went. Can you not go? Can you wait a minute?
Hang on.
Oh, you go.
No.
No.
There. Better there.
It would have been better before. Oh.
That's quite a waterfall.
And away.
Just pull me in because I want to get that one.
Right, I think we'll say thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, please click the like
And subscribe.
and we'll catch you again soon.
Bye for now.
Bye.